Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to elevate your living room with stunning art and decor pieces. Whether you're a fan of minimalist designs or love to mix and match bold statement pieces, this guide will inspire your creativity. Choosing the right art. Let's start with choosing the right art for your living room. Think about the mood and ambience you want to create. If you prefer a calm and serene space, opt for landscapes or abstract pieces with soft tones. For a more dynamic and vibrant atmosphere, go for bold, colorful artworks. Remember, size matters too. Larger pieces can serve as a focal point, while smaller art collections work well for gallery walls. Complementing art with decor pieces. Art isn't just for the walls. Complement your artwork with decor pieces like sculptures, vases, or decorative bowls. These items can be placed on coffee tables, shelves, or consoles to tie the entire room together. Try to find decor that matches or contrasts the colors in your art to create harmony or add a striking visual effect. Mixing styles and textures. Don't be afraid to mix different styles and textures. A modern painting can look fantastic in a vintage frame, or you can pair contemporary art with rustic decor pieces. This blend adds character and depth to your living room, making it a more interesting space. Textures like ceramics, wood, and metals also provide a tactile contrast that can make your decor stand out. Creating balance and harmony. Balance is key when incorporating art and decor into your living room. Avoid overcrowding by leaving some breathing room between pieces. If you're working with multiple items, think of them as part of a larger visual story. A well-balanced arrangement will keep the room looking cohesive rather than cluttered. Personalizing the space with art. Finally, make sure your living room feels personal. Art is a great way to showcase your personality, so choose pieces that reflect your interests and taste. Whether it's a custom painting, a family photo, or a quirky sculpture, these personal touches can make your living room truly unique. And that's how you can transform your living room with art and decor pieces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. See you in the next video.